many such companies are targeting students like you to buy things which you cannot afford and spend with their loan. The bad part is that students do not have a regular income, but the EMI still has to be paid monthly or regularly. So even if you miss just one EMI, these lenders report it to the credit bureau and it completely destroys your credit score. Hello all, this is Damini, co-founder of VMake Scholars, and I welcome you to the 45th episode of our web series Loanflix Season 2. So we recently started noticing a new issue which is making a lot of students ineligible for an education loan. So these days many students, they take these small personal loans from these P2P lending companies, or they buy gadgets on EMI from these BNPL, which is buy now pay later options, or they have credit cards. So if you're one of those students, or if you're planning to take one of these loans or credit cards, then please be aware that these loans or credit cards might make you ineligible for an education loan for your higher studies. In this video, I'll tell you how. So let's start this video, but before that, for those of you who are new to my channel, let me tell you Loanflix is a web series which covers each and every detail of an education loan for your higher studies, right from the eligibility, process, disbursement, repayment, everything. And Loanflix is an initiative of VMake Scholars. VMake Scholars is an organization which is funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India, under their Digital India initiative, and its sole purpose is to help students like you get an education loan for your higher studies. And let me make it very clear, all the services of VMake Scholars are completely free of cost. So you can get in touch with our team for any help with respect to your education loan without any second thought. So I'm leaving the link in the description through which you can get in touch with us. So let's start this video. So let me tell you what kind of loans I'm talking about here. So here on the screen, you can see CrazyBee is a platform for college students in India to buy anything online via flexible monthly payments. So such companies, and let me make it very clear, I have nothing to do with CrazyBee, and putting their screenshot in this video doesn't imply whether they are a good company or not. But what I'm trying to say is many such companies are targeting students like you to buy things which you cannot afford, and they are telling you to fulfill your dreams and not hold on to one and spend with their loan. And not just CrazyBee, here are a few more examples: Zest Money, SlicePay. And then comes the loans which Flipkart or Amazon shows you when you go on to buy a gadget, which of course you cannot afford. So here you can see on the screen all the options, the banks and NBFCs who are willing to offer consumer durable loans to students like you. So I'm not saying it is bad to take these loans, but the bad part is that students do not have a regular income like other salaried employees, but the EMI still has to be paid monthly or regularly. So what happens if you miss EMI or don't pay these loans? So even if you miss just one EMI, these lenders report it to the credit bureau like CIBIL, Equifax, Experian, etc. And hence it reduces your credit score, plus it starts reflecting on your credit report as DPD, days past due. So what happens if you miss another EMI or delay any EMI for more than 90 days? It becomes an NPA, non-performing asset, and it completely destroys your credit score. And the same thing happens if you delay or don't pay your credit card bills. So how this reduced credit score affects you? So when you apply for an education loan, the lender, the bank or the NBFC, check yours and your parents' credit score. And if the score is less than 685, they are mostly going to reject your profile. And even if your score is more than 685, when they will find these NPA or DPDs in your credit report, they are mostly going to reject your loan. And even if in case, they accept your profile, let's say if our team tries to convince them to accept and offer you a loan, you will still get a loan at a higher interest rate than other students of similar profile like you. So why I made this video is to tell you guys that don't get attracted to this easy money which is coming in the form of these loans, because even just one EMI miss is going to affect your credit score, eventually impacting your eligibility for an education loan, which is probably one of the most important things for you when you're trying to fulfill your dream of abroad studies or even higher studies in India. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to each one of you. And please note that VMAX Scholars team can help you one-on-one with your education loan process for studies in India or abroad. And to get in touch with our team, you can request a call back using the link mentioned above. After that, a financial officer will get assigned to you who will help you and handhold you for the entire process. And please note that all the services of VMAX Scholars are completely free. VMAX Scholars is funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India. So, and if you appreciate the effort we put in to bring this information out to you, then please subscribe to our channel and do hit the like button. Stay tuned for my next video. See you soon.